Taxes. Ah! They are complicated. Unless, of course, you like giving money to the government, in which case they are easy. In the beginning, they seem simple. Go to line 2. If you are blind, go to line 3. Okay. But later on, they get complicated. Divide the totals from line 33, 19, and 59 from forms 27, 68, and 71. Hike! The best way to prep for tax season is to be organized. Oops, too late for that. Keep track of how much you make and how much you've paid in. There are penalties if you pay too little before the end of the previous year. Make sure you've paid enough, but not too much. It's easy to give the government money. It's a lot harder to get all of it back. Certain types of investments defer your taxes, things like IRAs. You can even contribute to them between the end of the tax year and April 15th and still use them as a deduction for the previous year. But if you are absolutely swimming in dough and need a tax break, we can help you out with that. Drop us a line. I mean, swimming in it. Like I said before, tax law is really complicated, and I'm not sure who's to blame. The IRS, the politicians, or us. But they just keep laying on more and more layers of new taxes, deductions, exemptions, credits. I think they do it on purpose so that when they audit you, they can show you violated some tax law somewhere. One way to avoid the complications is to have someone else do them for you. Your tax preparer may know about deductions, credits, and loopholes that can save you money. Sometimes they can save you more money than it costs to do the preparing, so you can save time and money and you don't have to do all the paperwork. But if you're a stay-at-home in your PJs type, there are a lot of computer tax prep solutions out there. That way you don't have to interact with anyone. The flip side of having someone fill out your taxes for you is if they screw up, it's still your problem. You're the one who has to pay, with interest, or go to jail. After all, you gave them the information, they just filled in the numbers. Some places guarantee accuracy, but that's only good if you gave them the right stuff to begin with. I think the fine print should say, this tax guy is not responsible if these documents are totally fudged. In the United States, there are special tax filing professionals called EAs, or enrolled agents with the IRS. Like CPAs and attorneys, an EA can represent you if you're ever audited and can limit how much the IRS gets to dig during an inquiry. Finally, if you're really lazy, you can file an extension and do your taxes in October or August. The bummer is you still have to pay by April 15th. But if you don't make much, paying by April 15th is no problem. 28% of nothing is nothing. Done. Maybe you already did your taxes, but me, I like to wait till the last minute. That way, right up till midnight on April 15th is like an action movie. Where is the 1040D? We've got to find it! E-filing's for suckers, baby. No, 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 no! What, are you kidding? Your information will be all over the internet. The post office closes at midnight!